Alright guys, have some bad news. I'm pretty sure the white car's engine is toast. I'm not 100% sure what's wrong with it, but when I drive the car, the oil pressure light keeps coming on. Like if I'm driving in third and I'm coming to a light and I downshift to second, the light will come on. It's not just coming on solid, it's flashing. The car does have the proper amount of oil in it. And also, like, if you idle it and you put your foot on the gas and take it up to like 2,500, it's like ticking crazy. But if you go up to like 3,000, the ticking stops. So I'm not 100% sure what that is. I do drive that car every day, but it's been parked for like the last week or so because I don't want to destroy the engine, because the VTEC engines are hard to come by in my area. So I'm gonna have a couple people look at it. I had one of my friends look at it and he thinks it may be a partially spun bearing. I also read online that oil pressure light only comes on if the oil pressure drops below 5 psi, which would mean the oil pump's going out. I mean, the car does have like 185,000 miles on it, so I've only had it for like 7,000 of that, so I know I take care of it, but I don't know the history of the car, what's been done and whatnot. I do like the car and I would like to keep it, even if I have to save up some money and swap it, because it's complete opposite of the silver Integra. It's more comfortable. It has full interior. It doesn't have air in it, but I have everything to put that in. But if you have any idea what could be wrong with the car, I would appreciate if you could comment down below or give me any ideas or pointers what I should look at. I'm not like super mechanically inclined when it comes to motors. I'm really good with like the suspension and the chassis and stuff, but motors is still pretty much all new to me. So yeah, so if you have any idea, just leave it down below, and when I pick up a new car in about a week, I'll update the channel with that. But until next time guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.